Good evening, Mr. Malachi. Thanks very much for your time. What is your client's response to what Dr. Survé has alleged?
Evening, Vuyo, to you and the viewers. Look, I think there's a number of matters we've tried to put on record in the statement. Firstly, it is that Minister Gordhan has no authority over the Financial Services Conduct Authority. It resorts in the Ministry of Finance in terms of reporting lines, but it is of itself an independent regulator and does what it does based on its own mandate. Secondly, the allegations that were flighted in various media, social and otherwise, that minister could possibly be involved in why the raid was conducted is outraged, unfounded, unsubstantiated. And thirdly, and most importantly, we will be reminded of what Chief Justice has said in recent times. There have been many, I won't name them, you will know who they are, who suggested that judges are delivering judgments based on considerations other than the case. And the Chief Justice has said this: if you have the evidence, please submit it to my office so that we can investigate those allegations. So those are the three primary complaints we have about these utterances and the reports that have been made.
Does Mr. Gordhan intend doing anything about it? The allegations that Dr. Survé has made, that is.
Well, yes. The matter is under advisement from his perspective, but clearly the allegations made that there's a judge who refused to issue a warrant and another who is supposedly associated with minister who issued the warrant for the inspection to be conducted is obviously defamatory in the extreme. It's inflammatory, it is unsubstantiated, and in that respect, we've advised, and he must take the advice and decide what to make of it. That it is defamatory, and he needs to consider whether to take action on it.
Are you encouraging him to do so?
Well, we are. Remember this, and this is the sad part. They call it a pushback campaign in other, quarters, but he is being deflected from doing his job, and his job is to fix quite a number of very, critical state-owned enterprises, which require his attention. And time with his lawyers is really time wasted for you and me as public, as members of the public. He should be let to, be let to do his job, as it were. Now, whether he litigates on this or doesn't litigate on it is again a consideration for him on whether that is a consideration that he must take into account, given his other primary responsibilities.
Mr. Malachi, thank you very much for your time this evening. He is Mr. Pravin Gordhan's lawyer.